Now we would like to read a CSV file. So for example, we just write a note to ourselves and we can put this data into, well, something we call data, not very creative, but we use the read CSV function. And now we have to specify which file we are going to read. And this file is the data and data houseprices.csv. And this is because we have this folder in our working directory, the data folder, which is a subfolder. And here we have data houseprices.csv. You can also see this file here in the Files tab. And if you do not see all files here, you can just click the Refresh File Listing button here. So here we can just navigate within our project folder. So if we read this file, we can see that we have a new data structure here, and we have 21 observations of 11 variables. What you can do if the data set is not too large, it's very small in this case, then you can just click data and you get an overview of the data set. Here we only have 21 entries and we have 11 columns. So the read CSV file or function knows that the first line is the header line, which means that we have now made something called a data frame. A data frame is like a two-dimensional table, just like in Excel, for example. So what we also can do, we can read if we go here and to the houseprices.txt, we can open this and we see that it's just a text file and we have like tab delimited values here on each row. So here we can read a text file and we can just do like data 2 equals let's see, read.table, and then we can just copy this because we are lazy, and we have txt. Okay, so now we actually destroyed something up here, so copying is not always very good. But you can't do just like we did with the CSV file, because it does not know which separator we want. Because text files can have like space as separator, or comma as separator, or something else. Sometimes semicolon. So we need to tell it that header equals true, and that the separator is the tab, and the tab sign is just the \t. So this is why we can't use the backslash when we are doing these or specifying these folders, or folder addresses, but we have to specify them with the /, because the backward slash is for these special characters. That's what I was going to say. And we can just Control Enter on that. And we see that now we have no error here. And we can click on Data 2. And we see that we have the same data loaded in, but this time from the text file.